Na-late na ako. Mag-aalas 5 na. 4:38 na ako nakaalis. Dapat 4 o'clock ang alis ko. Nag-delay ako. Anyway, at least rolling na. Yes!
Bakit ba ako ng rota nyo? Ano? Okay lang. Madalas po ako dun sa may pedal po, sa may Rizal po, sa ibaba. Dun po ako lang.
Pagka weekdays, kasi may pasok ako eh. Pag weekdays, isa lang
ang ruta nyo po?
Gabi.
Ay, gabi po. Night ride po, ano?
Gabi lang ako ng gabi.
First time kong breakfast after ilang years. Kailangan ko mag-breakfast at baka mag-cramps ako mamaya. Sa road bike, tinakbo ko yung dito ako nag-breakfast pala sa 7-Eleven ng Pantabangan. Sa road bike, tinakbo ko to ng 1.5. Ngayon, sa gravel bike, tinakbo ko siya ng mahigit 2 oras kasi mabigat yung dala-dala ko. Tsaka gravel bike. Tapos may nagtatanong sa akin kanina ng delivery. Tataka ako bakit tinatanong ako. Ito yung dala ko eh. Hindi porket naka-orange Shopee. Ha? Orange lang yung kulay ng bag ko.
Akala ko yung Anli Ahon YouTube channel. Totoo pala yun. Akala ko ang ahon lang papuntang Baler yung Pantabangan at saka bago mag-Baler. Yung pala tuloy-tuloy palang may ahon yun. Anak ng pating 5 na lang ang takbo ko, nagiging 4 pa. Ay nako, sa mga 8 degrees na gradient naglalakad ako.
Rest muna. Hindi ginaya. Malayo pa.
Coffee break lang. Inaantong ako. Time check, 10:26. May isang oras din akong pahinga. Midlit na konti at puyat, tsaka nag-coffee.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit.
Marinang Nyog, malapit na sa Baler.
For me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help.
Inutom ako, hindi ko alam kung sa pagbabike o sa paglalakad. Time check, 11:15.
Kakastanyeda po sa Baler.
Oo. Sige. Bye. Tapos wala akong dalang gamit. Kaya kong iahon to. Masyadong mabigat tong dala kong gamit eh. Tools pa lang, yung mga damit ko. Ay nako, yung importante sa akin yung kape. Gawaan ng kape, yung upuan. May dala pa ako eh. Kaya nahihirapan ako sa mga 8% na. Anyway, lesson learned. Kaya pala yung mga nagtuturing, ang gearing nila mas malaki pa yung sprocket sa plato. Kasi pag umahon sila na may dalang gamit, hindi kakayanin pag yung regular.
Never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.
Nakisilong muna ako at umuulan.
Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only
Alam mo yun? Na-loser? Ha? Bago yun eh. So, nagbe-base na ako ngayon at baka maligaw ako dun sa resort. Dito lang yun. Sa Baler yun eh. Nalu surf resort. Kakanan, pinapakanan ako dyan eh. Taga dito ka? Di pa kulaw. Bumalik ka rito. Yes. Nagme-maze ako. Ayun, mga pamilya ko kasama ko. Pero kaalis lang na ako kaninang madaling araw pa.
Yes, I'm